Welcome. Today we are going to finish our slab detailing using ArchiCAD. So in this video, we are going to add stairs to our slab detailing, and also we're going to add a hatch to our arrows so that our arrows look exactly like these ones. So you can see these ones are very clear, and you can also see. So we're going to add a stairs here to indicate that there is stairs here instead of just using the lines to show that this part is cut out. So because we are now having ArchiCAD, we can just add our stairs. And also, first we begin by making this arrow look. These arrow which are indicating where and where the rebars are being spread and how many rebars are being spread. We are going to make them match to this one. So watch this video to the end. Also subscribe to my channel. So we're just going to, because if I select my line, this is just basically line, and then I include arrowhead on both sides. You see? So I include arrowhead on both sides. But we can change the attribute of the arrow. But my ArchiCAD currently does not allow me that option, because if I click here, the options do not pop up where I can indicate that I want this line, I want this arrowhead to be like this with a hatch. So what I'm going to do, I am going to match property. Okay, so I'm going to match this property with, I'm going to match my arrows with this property, so they will become like this. So to do that, you simply need to come here. You can see this option, pick up parameters. So, or you can go to edit. I think edit, and then element setting, and then pick up parameters. So you can either pick this or there. So I will pick the parameters for this arrow, and then I'm going to come here and pick inject parameter. So you can see this option here, or we can just go to edit, element setting, inject parameter, or you can use Control Alt C on your keyboard. So keyboard shortcuts are always very good tools for making you work faster and easier. So I'm going to inject that parameter to this. Okay, now I have injected parameter here. There's a problem because you can see my arrows are too big. I wish them to be a bit smaller. So I'm going to select my line, and then make sure you pick this arrowhead on both sides. Okay. If you pick on one side, it's going to be on one side. It's going to be on the left side. So you pick on both sides. So you come here, that I want my arrows to be size 1. Okay. Or let me just pick 1.2. So I want my arrow to appear that way. So I can just come and continue. I pick this parameter and go injecting to all my arrows. So I'm going to go to Control Alt C. So inject there. Control Alt C. Control Alt C. So I'm going to be injecting my parameters. Control Alt C, alright? If you can see this option here, edit element, you can see inject, it is Control Alt C. That's what I'm doing in my keyboard. So this is for those people who want to be detailing structural plan in ArchiCAD. So I prefer using ArchiCAD. If you are familiar with ArchiCAD, then you'll be having better details compared to the person who is using AutoCAD. So I'm injecting my parameters, Control Alt C. You can see it's not going to take me long. If you find a faster way to inject, then better for you. But for me, I have to pick one by one because I'm also used to AutoCAD and not ArchiCAD. But now you can see I can now easily do my structural details using ArchiCAD. So I'm going to Control Alt C. So you can see that window. So we're injecting. So Control Alt C. So remember in this video, so this is how you match your properties. So I've also showed you how to match properties. So because these ones now do not appear properly, I'm going to select them. I'm going to hold my shift, select this and this, and I'm going to change my L size to 0.9. I'm going to change it to reduce it further to 0.6. Okay, now they look properly. So I can match this property. So come to pick, then Control Alt C. Then I want to pick these ones here. Control Alt C. So Control Alt C. So if there another one which is that small, another one which is too small, you can just use that small arrowhead. So I'm going to pick the properties again. I'll pick this one and Control Alt C and continue to inject. Control Alt C and Control Alt C. Control Alt C. Control Alt C. So I'm sure you know what I'm doing. I'm injecting the properties. Control Alt C. You can see that window and it appears. So I can send this layout. I will include this slab and this one so that you can use it to learn if you wish. So I will add a download link in my description. So Control Alt C, right? Alt C. So keyboard shortcut is very useful if you want to be fast. Whether you're using AutoCAD, Word, or any software, if you know keyboard shortcuts, then you can be much faster. Because if I was speaking using my mouse, I would be slower, a bit slower than what I'm doing now. So let me see the attribute. So element transfer setting. If I could know much faster way, then I could have told you. But maybe I will update you. So in addition to that, we can save this. We can print and save in any format because ArchiCAD allows save in several formats. With ArchiCAD or ArchiCAD. Control Alt C. Almost done. Okay. So that's how we copy, paste, match properties in ArchiCAD. So in part A, we created the layers for these rebars to make them look clearer. We dimensioned in ArchiCAD. We also labeled all our slabs. So you can go check part A of this video if you want to do structural detailing in ArchiCAD. So actually, many architects, they also do structural, they do both architectural and structural plan for themselves because the market has become a bit tough, so you have also to become tough. As a civil engineer, I don't like it, but That's how it is right now. There are many structural engineers who are also doing both the architecture and structural plan. Because if you give me this, you have to, and if you know how to do it on your own, you can watch my videos. There are several software that you can use to come up with this plan. Then you can detail it easily to get it to professional ArchiCAD. Okay, I'm done. I hope I'm done. So what I'm now going to add is these lines. I'm going to do that. Another thing, I can select these internal lines. Hold my control. So I'll also inject this property. Actually, this is another line. So I'm not going to do that. So we're also going to add our slab. Going to add our slab. Our not slab, our staircase, right? Going to add our staircase, right? Indicate that there is staircase here. So you can see a person using ArchiCAD will easily do that. So you have to go to design, pick your stair tool. Then when you come here, when you just point here, you can see our landing one is here. So our landing two is here. So landing one will be here. So we're going to pick from this side. So you can see there's this midline appearing, and if you can't see it, you just need to go to snap here, and you snap halfway. Okay. So this is my midline for this line here. So I'm going to pick around there. Then I'm going to drag my slab, hold my shift. So let's say my landing one will start about there. So I'm going to turn here, holding my shift. I hold my shift. Then I'm going to turn. So you're going to let me show. Let me repeat it. So pick your steps. You come here, you will see your center line. So our stairs is going to, because there is vertical, our stairs is going to start just about there. So hold your shift, drag up to where your landing one starts, then click, then turn, hold your shift about there, click, then turn, hold your shift. I have to say there, click again. So that is our stairs one. So I'm going to pick my stairs already on, is already on, so I'm going to just so let me remove this polyline. There's a polyline here. There's only we can see it, so to it. So turn on my stairs too. So just have my cursor there until I can see the midline. So there it is. So from there I click and then drag my stairs holding shift. So I can have maybe page. So I will click there, then hold shift again, click there and drag it down and click. So these are my two staircase. So I'm going to start on another staircase here. So another staircase here. So click and drag, hold shift, click, hold, drag to the at right angle, hold shift, up there, click, then drag at right angle, holding your shift, up to there. So we will repeat the same. You can just click and select that is your line. Click and select it again. Hold your shift. So that one did not go the way I wanted. Up to there. Then and just come here, select, then I think move the stairs out. So we are going to, this is water tank, so we're going to also match, we're going to inject property. Control Alt C. TLC that window. Control Alt C. So this ArchiCAD can make it easier for structural engineers to detail even stairs case which are, let's say, have unique shape, like you can see this shape here. That shape. Okay. So, Control Alt C to resolve the button. I think my ArchiCAD is a bit limited because it does not give me the option to create this type of arrowhead. But if yours can, then better for you. So for me, I just need to inject this property. If I find another way, I will share. So this is also being layout. So I already showed you how you create a layer for these rebars. So for those who did not watch that video, yes, we need to come. We're going to use what? Select here. Make sure you pick the first one, then select there. So you can see your wall tool here. You can see your attribute manager here. But if you don't see that, you come here, right click, make sure you check this. Okay. So you pick your wall. So you're going to create a new wall. So you come here, make sure that it is foreground. Select here, pick 120. Select here, pick 127. Then select here, pick brick, white natural, and then name it whatever you want, and I will name it slab reinforcement. So I'll save it like that, and okay. When I come here, I pick my slab reinforcement. I think some then you come here. So now here you can pick 107. Then thickness, we can use the size of our rebar because this drawing is to scale, so we're going to use 18. Although it is 10, we want it to be clearer, we're going to use 18. And okay. Then we're going to holding shift, then D 100, then so this one is 500. So this one will be 500 till 175. That will be because now this one is Here we have a clear space, clear cover of 25 minus 275 plus 500, that will be 675. So hold your shift, make sure it goes on a straight line. Shift and then D 170, 675. So actually the problem is this one is not scale, because you can see this one. This basically is this part here, so it's bigger than the rest. So we're just going to pick this. We're not going to use scale one, so let's continue this one. And, the scale of 25, so we're going to use 300. Then here 1800. So just check. To help us inject. Okay, so there is some property that we want to properly. So the property has to be exactly the way I will show you. So you can see this one is basic. So we're going to pick the first one, which is basic. Out surface, then and cut is 117. So we see. So the problem is that so 17 wall is full and then so let's see. So and cut 27, 27. Cut line 10 is 27. Let's see. We have seen the properties of our rebar. So we can do the same to this side. How do we not scale? That's and from there shoot. Do not to scale, so we will use something that is just 1800 plus. So actually I can come, copy this and this, then right click, move, mirror a copy, then of course there's some center line here. So from this center, you can see my perpendicular line is snapped so about there. So just do that. So there are two options there are two things that I like when it comes to either detailing, whether it is detailing, whether it is modeling. There are two commands that I love most. That is copy and mirror. So those two commands are the first that I need to do. I'm going to copy and I'm going to do. And of course, there is another video that I showed you how you can select similar and then how you can be able to do all that. So that will be it for this. We'll add a download link for this detailing, so you can download it and use it as your layout. So thanks. See you in another video.